This is a video by Richmond. Today we are working on a Chevy K20. This happens to be a 1979 model. And what we're doing today is we are replacing the ignition lock cylinder. Now the first thing we got to do is to remove the negative battery cable from the battery. Now once we do that, we're going to take this piece off right here. I've disassembled a lot of this. There's this ring right here that was underneath there. This connects to the horn button. 3 Phillips head screws. Remove that. Remove that piece. And then there'll be a nut right here. And we only want to bring it out a little bit. Put our puller in right there. There are 2 5/16 18 tap screws in there. Get our puller there. Pull the steering wheel off. Then once we do that, we got this plastic cover right here. Now we have to remove this ring, which I've already done. There is a little circlip. You'll need a puller like this. It will compress this ring and it'll let you get the circlip out of there, which I've done. And this lock ring will come out. Then we have this horn piece. There's a spring underneath there. Then what do we got? We took off the directional handle, 1 Phillips head screw. Right on this side right here we have the hazard button, 1 Phillips head screw. Remove that. And this directional switch right here is held on by 3 Phillips head screws, 1 there, 1 there. This one hides underneath here. What you want to do is kick it over, get that one out, get your 2 down there. Now we can move our switch out partially. And we can see that screw right there is a pin that holds in the lock cylinder. Now that pin they started using on the 79. If you have a 78 or older, it's a different procedure. The procedure on that is there is a little slot over here on the left that you need to get a small screwdriver or a thin piece of steel in to retract those, and they have a little flashing that you have to break off also on the pre-78s. Now the manual recommends that the key to be in the run position so before you can remove it. Now what happens if it's like this one right here? Thing is jammed. Won't go into the run start position. So you know what we're going to do? We're going to leave it in the lock position. Now be careful. You don't want to lose this pin. Don't drop it. If you got a magnet, use a magnet. You got steady fingers, go for it. There it is. We got it. Now our lock cylinder should just come right out. Well, look at that. See the slot where the pin held it in? Here is our new lock cylinder. I wonder if this will fix it. Alright. Line that sucker up with the bottom. Wow. It goes in. Does it move? Oh, look at that. We're in business now. Excellent. All right. All we have to do is put it back together. Oh, jeez. We got to put it back together? All right. So, let's put it back together, and that's it. That's all there is to replacing an ignition lock cylinder on your Chevy pickup.